Hi, welcome to DGP Star Vision. Today I am going to solve the exercise number 12, writing longhand, that is from longhand to shorthand. Here I mark the grammalogues so that you can easily identify them. Should is a grammalogue, the is a grammalogue, of is a grammalogue, again the is a grammalogue, to is a grammalogue, the is a grammalogue. Now we will write this sentence into shorthand. They stroke, second place vowel, they should grammalogue, they should ask, yes and k a vowel, ask the head. Since H is capital, you have to write head, H, D, second place, then this mark is to be written. Head of grammalogue, the academy, KDM, a vowel, after M, E vowel. Again, since academy A is capital, 2 marks are written here. To grammalogue, change N, J, change A vowel, the grammalogue, date, D, then T, a vowel, then full stop. Then second sentence, who took the padlock off the gate of the padlock? Who grammalogue, the grammalogue, sorry, this off is not grammalogue, only OF off is grammalogue, the grammalogue, of grammalogue, the grammalogue. This is question mark here. Who grammalogue took T through the line, K, took the padlock, P, D, L, K. After P, a vowel, after L, dash vowel, padlock, of F, a vowel, dash vowel, the gate, G, T, second place, gate, of grammalogue, the grammalogue, padlock, P, D, L, K, a vowel, dash vowel, a vowel. This is question mark. As it is, we have to write in shorthand. The next sentence is, up to the date of the party, she looked both rich and happy. To grammalogue, the grammalogue, of grammalogue, the grammalogue, and grammalogue. Up to the, this vowel we have to write, much vowel, up to the grammalogue, the grammalogue, date, D, T, second place, of, then the party, P, R, T, after P, a vowel, after T, E vowel, comma, as it is, she is through the line, E vowel, she looked, L, K, D, that is L, third place vowel, second stroke before proceeding to the second stroke, third place, we have to mark looked, both, B, it, O vowel, both rich, R, rich, then E vowel, rich and happy, H, P, after H, A, then P. So full stop. This is first sentence, second sentence, third is continued here. Then 4 I'll start from here since there is no place. The head of the bank may leave on Monday. Here Monday is capital. The head, H, D, head, then A vowel, of grammalogue, the grammalogue, bank, B, N, K, first place, then may, leave, M, A vowel, leave, L, V, so through the line, second place before second stroke we have to mark the vowel, leave on Monday, M, N, D, Monday, A, then these two marks since M is capital. Okay, next one is, they ought to change the date on the check to the 4th of the month. Here ought is grammalogue, to is grammalogue, the is grammalogue, date, sorry, the is grammalogue, on is grammalogue, the is grammalogue, to is grammalogue, again the is grammalogue, of is grammalogue and the is grammalogue. So I marked here. they. Next sentence is fifth one. They, the stroke E vowel should be dark. They ought. Grammalogue. To Grammalogue. J, change. Then the, date, D, T, second place. On, then the Grammalogue. On the check. K, second place. To the fourth. F or T, ith. F, O vowel, R and ith. Fourth of the month, M, ith. So this is the fifth sentence. So exercise 12 I have completed. I'll keep on solving all the exercises in the textbook as I have described. Please solve the exercises. If you have any doubts, again you have to read and copy, and you look my videos you look these charts whatever I mentioned here for your reference. Stay tuned to my channel. If you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp me to my number 7892247571. Bye bye.